MS SQL Server download, install, and set up. In order for you to install our product, you need to install a database. If you want to do this free, you go into a search engine, in this case Bing, and type this information. Microsoft SQL Server Community Edition. And you will see these results. You will choose SQL Server Download. Try SQL Server on-premises or in the cloud. You will see 3 options. You will choose SQL Server on-premises and download it. It will take you to this form. You will fill out the form. And download it. Verify your computer requirements. Now download the extension execution. In the file. And install it. Choose Basic. Accept. Verify your installing location in case you want to change it. And install. Install. SSMS. We're downloading this file. Now you'll take a look at the installing location. Again, in case you want to change it. And we're done at this point. Start the SQL Server Management Studio. And I'm just trying out from the install screen if it looks okay. And yes, there's a select command and we get as a response that we are on work. Working on version 16.01 of SQL Server. We don't need the SQL command window. There are very few people left who can really work this. But for historical reasons, it's there. You can connect to Secret Server in command line window. Okay, I close in now. I go again into SQL Management. To the program, and here we go. Okay. So this is the connection screen of the server. Is the database engine. And we have. This is the name of the computer. We use the authentication of Windows, which means that once you are in Windows, you can also get to the database. So let's connect. On the right side, we see different folders as part of the database. We have databases, but this is a brand new installation. So there's only a system database. I just create one new database, and for simplicity reasons, I call it HIPAA Suite. And I just use all the defaults that the SQL Server gives me. And now I have a database called HIPAA Suite. That concludes this video. Thank you for watching.